Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the LIC Jeevan Labh plan, plan number 936, one of the most popular plans offered by LIC. LIC's Jeevan Labh is a non-linked participating life assurance plan that provides the perfect combination of investment and life insurance to secure your future. This plan not only offers financial freedom with risk coverage, but also provides guaranteed higher returns compared to many other plans. In case of the unfortunate death of the policyholder at any time before maturity, a lump sum amount is provided to the nominee while the surviving policyholder receives the maturity benefit. This plan also takes care of liquidity needs through loan facility. Benefits: death benefit. In the unfortunate event of the life assured's passing during the policy term, LIC Jeevan Labh provides a substantial death benefit, ensuring financial security for the family. The death benefit includes the sum assured on death, which is the higher of the basic sum assured or 7 times the annualized premium, along with vested simple reversionary bonuses and a final additional bonus if applicable. Additionally, the total death benefit payout will never be less than 105% of the total premiums paid, excluding taxes, extra premiums, and rider premiums. With LIC Jeevan Labh, you can be assured that your loved ones will always be financially protected, even in your absence. Maturity benefit. If the life assured survives till the end of the policy term while the policy remains active, a lump sum maturity benefit is paid. This includes the sum assured on maturity, which is equal to the basic sum assured, along with vested simple reversionary bonuses and a final additional bonus if applicable. With LIC Jeevan Labh, you not only enjoy life coverage but also receive a guaranteed payout at maturity, helping you achieve your financial goals with peace of mind. Participation in profits. LIC Jeevan Labh is a participating policy where policyholders get a share of LIC's profits, giving them extra financial benefits. As long as your policy is active, you will receive simple reversionary bonuses, which are declared based on LIC's performance. Additionally, a final additional bonus may be paid when the policy ends, either at maturity or in case of an unfortunate event. However, this bonus is not applicable to paid-up policies. Eligibility conditions and other restrictions. Minimum basic sum assured 2 lakh rupees. Maximum basic sum assured no limit. Policy term options 16 years, 21 years, 25 years. Premium paying term: for 16 years policy term, pay for 10 years only. For 21 years policy term, pay for 15 years only. For 25 years policy term, pay for 16 years only. Here's the magic of LIC Jeevan Labh. If you choose a 25 years policy term, you pay premiums for just 16 years and enjoy the benefits for the next 9 years absolutely free. This unique feature makes LIC Jeevan Labh a smart and rewarding investment, ensuring financial security with minimal payment years. Minimum age at entry 8 years completed. Maximum age at entry 59 years for a 16 years policy term. 54 years for a 21 years policy term. 50 years for a 25 years policy term. Maximum maturity age 75 years. Nearest birthday. Risk and vesting details. Commencement of risk. Risk cover starts immediately from the date of policy acceptance. Vesting of policy for minors. If the policy is taken in the name of a minor, it will automatically transfer to the life assured on the policy anniversary after they turn 18 years old, making it a direct contract between LIC and the life assured. Options available. Rider benefits. LIC Jeevan Labh offers 5 powerful rider options to give you extra security by paying a small additional premium. These riders provide enhanced financial protection against life's uncertainties. Available riders: LIC's Accidental Death and Disability Benefit Rider, LIC's Accident Benefit Rider, LIC's New Term Assurance Rider, LIC's New Critical Illness Benefit Rider, LIC's Premium Waiver Benefit Rider. You can choose either the Accidental Death and Disability Benefit Rider or the Accident Benefit Rider, but not both. Settlement option for maturity benefits. LIC Jeevan Labh gives you the freedom to receive your maturity benefit either as a lump sum or in installments over 5, 10 or 15 years, ensuring a steady flow of income. This option is available under both in-force and paid-up policies. Who can opt for this? Policyholder if the life assured is a minor. Life assured aged 18 years and above. You can choose to receive full or part of the maturity proceeds in installments, either in a fixed amount or as a percentage of the total claim amount. Flexible payment options. The installments will be paid in advance at the chosen frequency. Monthly, minimum 5,000 rupees per installment. Quarterly, minimum 15,000 rupees per installment. Half yearly, minimum 25,000 rupees per installment. Yearly, minimum 50,000 rupees per installment. If the maturity amount is less than the required minimum for installments, the full amount will be paid as a lump sum. The interest rates for installment payments will be decided by LIC from time to time. How to opt for settlement? To avail of the settlement option, the policyholder or life assured must apply at least 3 months before the maturity date. Option to take death benefit in installment. LIC Jeevan Labh allows you to choose how the death benefit is paid, either as a lump sum or in installments over 5, 10 or 15 years. This ensures that your loved ones receive financial support in a structured way. Who can choose this option? Policyholder if the life assured is a minor. Life assured aged 18 years and above can opt for this during their lifetime. Flexible payment options are the same as settlement options for maturity benefits, allowing policyholders to choose how they receive their payouts. Payment of premiums. You can pay your LIC Jeevan Labh premiums through multiple flexible modes: yearly, half-yearly, quarterly or monthly payments. Payments can be made via NACH or salary deductions for added convenience. Sample illustrative premium. Let's take a simple example to understand how LIC Jeevan Labh works and the benefits it offers over time. Suppose a 30-year-old individual purchases LIC Jeevan Labh with sum assured 2 lakh rupees. Policy term 25 years. Premium paying term 16 years. Yearly premium excluding taxes 9,134 rupees. Now let's see how the benefits unfold over time. At the end of the policy term, the policyholder will receive the sum assured on maturity along with accrued bonuses. In case of an unfortunate event, the nominee will receive the sum assured on death along with additional benefits. Check the table below to see different benefit scenarios and how your investment grows over time. Grace period. LIC provides a grace period to help you stay covered. 30 days for yearly, half-yearly and quarterly premium payments. 15 days for monthly premium payments. During this grace period, your policy remains active with full risk cover. However, if the premium is not paid within the grace period, the policy will lapse. This grace period also applies to rider premiums, ensuring uninterrupted coverage. Rebates. LIC Jeevan Labh rewards policyholders who choose longer payment intervals. 2% discount on tabular premiums for yearly payment mode. 1% discount on tabular premiums for half-yearly payment mode. This means bigger savings while securing your future. Revival. If a premium is not paid within the grace period, the policy lapses. But don't worry, you can revive your lapse policy within 5 years from the date of the first unpaid premium and before maturity. Surrender. You can surrender your LIC Jeevan Labh policy anytime after paying premiums for at least 2 full years. Policy loan. You can avail a loan against your policy after paying at least 2 full years premiums, subject to LIC's terms and conditions. The maximum loan amount is up to 90% of the surrender value for in-force policies, up to 80% of the surrender value for paid-up policies. Taxes. Statutory taxes as imposed by the Government of India or any other tax authority will be applicable as per prevailing tax laws. These taxes are payable separately over and above the premium and will not be considered for benefit calculations under the policy. Free look period. If you're not satisfied with the terms and conditions of your policy, you can return it within 15 days from the date of receiving the policy bond, stating the reason for objection. LIC will cancel the policy and refund the premium after deducting proportionate risk premium for the covered period. Rider charges, medical exam and special report expenses, stamp duty charges. Exclusion. If the life assured commits suicide within 12 months from the start of the policy, LIC will refund 80% of the total premiums paid, provided the policy is active. In case of suicide within 12 months of policy revival, LIC will pay the higher of 80% of total premiums paid or the surrender value as of the date of death. No other claims will be entertained. This clause does not apply to policies that have lapsed without acquiring a paid-up value, and no benefits will be payable in such cases. LIC Jeevan Labh is a power-packed investment plus insurance plan that ensures financial security, wealth creation, and life coverage all in one. With guaranteed returns, flexible premium payments, tax benefits, loan facilities, and participation in LIC's profits, this plan stands out as a smart and reliable choice for individuals looking to secure their future. The best part? You pay for a limited period and enjoy the benefits for a lifetime without worrying about market risks. Whether you're planning for your child's future, retirement, or family's financial stability, LIC Jeevan Labh provides assured maturity benefits and a strong financial cushion for your loved ones in case of any unfortunate event. Don't wait for the right time. Secure your future today. Invest in LIC Jeevan Labh and enjoy a stress-free financial life. Contact us now to know more and get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to secure your financial future. We'd love to hear from you. What do you think about the LIC Jeevan Labh plan? Do you see it as the right investment for your future? Comment below and share your thoughts. See you in the next video. Thank you.